Hi guys, welcome to my first video break. I picked up a box of this year's Panini Limited. I normally don't do a lot of breaking, but I got this at a good price, so I just had to pick it up. This is the first higher end product I have bought. It's supposed to have 7 cards, 3 of them being autos or memorabilia cards. I really hope I can add to my John Wall collection today, so let's hope and see. Okay, here's the checklist. Okay, let's start it off. Okay, the first card is a Region Rondo base card, I think, which is numbered. Is it numbered? Which is numbered to 199. Let's take the one from the back. It's Caron Butler, number 2, 149. Then we got a Jason Kidd glass cleaners insert, number 2, 149. Then Elvin Hayes legend insert, which is number 2, 199. The next card is Baron Davis game used jersey, number 2, 199. And my rookie is Elliott Williams, Panini Next Day autographs, also numbered 299. And the last card is wrong Wizards player, but it's Trevor Booker, jersey auto card, number 299. So that's it. These are the hits. Baron Davis jersey, Elliott Williams Next Day autographs card, and unfortunately the wrong Wizards rookie, Trevor Booker. Was fun breaking, yeah. Unfortunately not the card I wanted, but everything for traders or sale. Let me know.